Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back doing another trade. I did it earlier today. I bought the pound New Zealand. Got the timing a little bit wrong, but after I drilled down the lights and my mega trigger, that's this one I'm using. This has the meter, this is no meter. So I'm using the mega trigger on this particular one. And what happened was I took it today about 10 o'clock this morning, right here. I thought it was going to keep going up, but something happened. As you well know, the market's very random. Today's date is June the 13th. And like I said, around 10 o'clock this morning, as you can see down here, June the 13th at 10 a.m. Took the trade right here at this cursor. Did go against me, so I had to use more than my usual stop. But I know how to turn a losing trade into a winning trade. And I teach that in the training videos. Sometimes you can get the timing a little bit wrong, but as long as you know how to read the charts, you can turn a losing trade into a winning trade. So I closed it out with 32 pips here, which produced, there was a swap in here of $61, so I ended up with $2,074. I'm very happy with that. So it was a combination of New York session went against me, not a big deal. The higher time frames were telling me it's going to go up. Now there's no reason in particular why I closed it. It was stalling out here a bit on the 5 minutes. We can take a look at the 5 minutes. When it was stalling out in here, and that's why I decided to close it. But I was happy with the, there's a cluster area around this area of resistance, and I was talking to a trader actually, and I was sidetracked a little bit. I thought it was going to go up some more, but I didn't want to be talking to a trader and indefinitely give too much back to the market. And anytime I can get 30 to 40 pips per trade, I'm very happy with that. Now I do teach that in the training videos. Sometimes you'll get the timing a little bit wrong, but I teach how you can turn a wrong into a right, and where you can turn a losing trade into a winning trade. Again, that's within the training videos. And I'm still doing quite a few videos. I have the mega trigger completed. I have the super trigger completed. The ultimate trigger completed. I still have to do the pro trigger, and this is the Heiken Ashi trigger, and the awesome alert. This one's almost completed, and this one is Bollinger Bands trigger. It's an advanced Bollinger Bands. I've improved it above and beyond the other one down here, this Bollinger Band. This one's good. That's why I put ABB in here. It's an advanced Bollinger Band, and you're going to see that coming shortly, as I'm going to be trading on YouTube on each and every one of these, showing you that they all work fantastic. Of course, if you have any questions about any one of my triggers, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Very easy to do. Just look right below this video. You'll see a write-up similar to this. It's a PIP trigger full package, and I do give 12 versions of my PIP trigger. I capped it off at 12, and now I've got 7 more versions of it. They're not completed, but they will be probably within about 3 weeks. Now anybody who has bought the PIP trigger from me, I will release any one of those, and there are 7 of them total. I'll let it go for only $100, and they come with 30 videos plus some bonus extra videos. just get in contact with me and I can explain that in more detail. Now within this package right here, there's well over 20 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. I can do it myself and help you with TeamViewer. Takes about 10 minutes to do. As I said, there's 12 versions of my PIP trigger. They're all good, and if you do the math, it works out to only $20 a system. It's quite cheap. There are 15 MT4 templates, 21 custom indicators to drive these systems, along with 4 meters. I do give 20 bonus videos on top of the 360 videos that I did personally myself, because there are a lot of ways to trade, and there is a lot of good training and education within this package, which is what you need to succeed at trading the Forex, or even futures. You can trade anything at all, stocks, options. You can trade anything that the MT4 platform offers. Now for you traders who like to read, there's 132 PDF books and 164 Word documents. And don't forget the $1 Million Trade Plan. That's where you only need 1 trade a day for 10 pips. And today I got 32 pips. So, and when you take 1 trade, get 10 pips, you close the trade down. And at the end of 11 months, I teach exactly how you can turn $1,000 into $1 million. If you have any questions about the $1 Million Trade Plan, or anything about my PIP Trigger full package, all you got to do is call me directly. Here's my phone number, my cell number. If you live too far, just send me an email. I do reply quite quickly, and if you call me, I'm the one that usually answers the phone. But anyhow, I really do prefer Skype, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session. I'll show you and answer your questions, anything you have about the package or $1 Million Trade Plan. Whatever questions you may have, it would last about 45 minutes or a little bit more, depending on how many questions you have. So as I said, all you really got to do is click on this link, which is right below this video, and we'll have direct contact. Very easy to get in Skype contact with me. So that just about wraps up this video, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to get back to watching the basketball game and Toronto Raptors. It's a pretty good game. So until the next trade and video, good luck with your trading.